Hello there. So let us know if the websites that are created through Wix.com are responsive. Okay, so let's take a look at the websites that are created through Wix.com. So we have here 15 outstanding examples. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one and let's see its responsiveness. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, again, again, guys, this is created through Wix.com. Okay, you can see how eye-catching it is. Okay, so let's try clicking this one and let's see how it respond. Okay, so as you can see, it responded immediately. Let's go back and another one. Okay, so it responds right away. Okay, so let's take a look at the second example. Okay, so this is animalmusicweb.com. Okay, so let's click some portions here. For example, this one. Okay, so as you can see, these buttons respond right away. Okay, so that's it. So if this video answers your question, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos about Wix. Thank you very much.